everybody, and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I am unboxing my May Boxy Premium, and if you've seen my Boxy base box video, you'll know that I've been sick and that's why everything is late right now. But I'm pretty excited to get into this box. Boxy Premium comes with 6 or 7 full-size items, $35 a month. Theoretically, this should be more valuable than the base box. Theoretically? I mean, based on numbers alone, it will be. Now, I don't have the card that came in this box because I've been sick. I went through everything and opened it, and I know that the card is actually missing, but I do have it on my computer, so I will be reading that off of there when the time comes to it. This month, the Boxy Premium that I got was actually less heavy than the Boxy base box, because my base box had those Elemis pads, which are pretty hefty, as well as some makeup wipes. So I'm assuming the things in here are going to be a little bit on the, like, smaller side. I don't remember what's in here. I know I looked at it, but I honestly don't remember. So it's like rediscovering everything again a month later. Well, let's get into it and see. This month's theme is Mother Nature, which I think they're kind of doing like a green theme with. I don't really know what that means because the last few products in the base box, it didn't really like tell me. Okay, well, a little foam on the inside of it here is just not cooperating with me and just, okay, I think I've got it there. Okay, well, the first thing we'll pull out is the item that I actually picked myself. I got in it ahead of time to pick it. I actually missed the base box, so I have no idea what the options were because I missed it. Never got to pick it. On the other hand, I did pick this, which is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. So I have the truffle exfoliator, which is pretty nice, but a pretty strong exfoliator. Use very sparingly kind of thing. So I know this brand already. Okay, so let's talk about this though. Look at the size of this box, right? It's about the size of my palm. Now, do you think the eye cream inside is going to be the size of this box? Guess us down below. Of course not. It's a tiny bottle of eye cream. You know this has got to be expensive, I'm sure, because eye creams are expensive. And look how tiny this bottle is. So yeah, this is Truffle Therapy for eyes. I am interested to try it out. Like I said, I picked it myself. I was between this and the Soleil Chocolate Bronzer from Too Faced, which was already sold out. And something else that I don't remember off the top of my head. Then we got the little container in here and a little thing on top to keep it nice and, well, to keep it good, basically. And it's in that, like, dark amber also. So to extend the life of this, because we don't want it to go bad. Especially at that price point. Well, I put the lid on badly. Let's try again. We'll deal with that later. I'm not entirely sure where my failing right now of trying to screw on the lid is. Oh no, now I got stuff all over the outside. Well, we'll put that in its comically oversized box over here. Okay, up next. So yeah, I can see in here, by the way, I said that things were smaller. For the most part, yes, they are smaller. Like this. Look how tiny this is. This is from Tarte, by the way. It's from their Sugar Rush line, which is really cute. I will say, the items in here are supposed to be full size, right? The bottom of this says sample, not for sale. Okay, well, look at the packaging on this. It's cute. It's got that little diamond there. This is just so adorable. It's like a little flower. So this is the Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and this is in the color Peony. It smells kind of like vanilla cake. It's got no color because it is a lip balm. I don't know why I was surprised. I'm not going to stick that on my face right now. That's asking for trouble. That will get lipstick all over my hands. But yeah, I love this little thing. I really like the Tarte Sugar Rush packaging. It seems to be very cute. Lots of yellows and pinks, which I think is adorable. So It's really cute, smells good, love lip products. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, next up here, we have, well, it says Kat Von D on it. So this is clearly before the rebranding. This is the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. I don't generally wear brow pomade, so that'll be interesting. This is in the color dark brown. I don't really have dark brown eyebrows, but I'm sure I can make it work. Hey, we got that little KVD on the top here. A little container. Actually, when you look at it like this, you can't see any of the products. It's just glass. Well, okay. Okay, and there inside is the color. You know what? It's dark, but it's not like outrageously dark. Let's see. Oh, well, I may have spoken too soon. It is pretty dark on there. I have a costume that I could definitely use this for. One with light hair colors, dark eyebrows kind of thing. And maybe if I want to go for like a dramatic brow, I definitely could see this being a useful product. I have to say, for a 24-hour brow pomade, it does kind of come off the back of my hand pretty easily though. Which is good. I guess I don't really want brown eyebrow pomade on the back of my hand all day. But, well, we'll be fine. Okay, not too bad. I never supported Kat Von D because of, you know, insert any number of reasons here. But with the rebranding, I am a little bit more likely to. I'm just a little bit weirded out that the outside packaging still says Kat Von D, but the inside packaging has the KVD on it. So I'm not sure where that like comes from, but we'll see. I will try this out for all of you to tell you how it works and how long wearing it is. This thing is so tiny. Look at this. It's from Milk Makeup, which is really great, and it's in the color Flare. Top here. It is a glow oil lip and cheek. So that makes 2 lip products now. Let's start getting this. It's got plastic packaging on it. Oh, it comes with instructions. You don't see a lot of beauty products come with like a little instruction sheet. It says, dewy flush on the fly, a sheer shimmering blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a glowy wash of color. Interesting. Okay, well, it's pretty small. Not that I necessarily think that's a bad thing. It's kind of a fun color. Like, I don't know if you can see it all that well. Oh, there's a little piece on top of it here. Probably to keep it from drying out. Unfortunately, it's getting the better of me. Maybe if I, aha! I got it. It's a little plastic piece. Okay, let's test it on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. Oh, it's really light. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Yeah, so it's a very, very light pink color. Probably make a great lip balm. I'm not sure how much of a, well, maybe. It would be more of a like summertime fun blush, not so much a wear on camera because I don't think you're going to see it at all, but that's really pretty. I don't think I own anything from Milk right now, so I'm very happy to try this out. I hear good things about Milk in general. It'll be interesting. It's so cute. I really love that it's like bright orange too. Okay, I've got 2 things left, which means that this month there were 6 items. Okay, this is from Pure Heals by Nature Village, and it says Centella 90 Ampoule. It does not tell me what kind of product this is, but I'm going to guess it is a serum of some kind just by the bottle on the side here. I'm gonna guess that because the instructions here say, after cleansing, even out skin tone with the toner and apply a moderate amount of product to the face, meaning that it is probably a serum of some kind. Okay, here we go. We got lots of bubbles in there. Yeah, it's definitely a serum. I don't know this company. Okay, it's K-Beauty, made in Korea. Let's stick some in the back of my hand and see. It's pretty liquidy. It doesn't really have a strong smell. It's got kind of an herby smell to it. Just a little bit though. Very light, and it's probably has to do with whatever kind of plant extract is in here, not like a fragrancy kind of oil. Yeah, it feels really nice. Blended in really easily. Can't really complain. It's really hard to say on a serum on the back of my hand how I feel. I can say that it doesn't smell very strongly, and that's really great. Unfortunately, I have so many serums right now because all of these different bundles and things, all the different boxes are just like, you want serums, right? Lots of serums. I'm like, well, I don't really need that many serums all at once, but you know, just kind of how it works. Well, I'll test it out. Okay, I've got one last item in here, and it is the big one. The Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Look at how beautiful this is. And it's got a gold box on the inside. And now we're going to figure out how to open the gold box. There's so much packaging on this for some reason. This also comes with like a little booklet. Oh, the booklet tells me how to make it work for my eyes. Okay, here we are. Oh, wow, look at that. It's got this like really pretty packaging on it. Too Faced Natural Matte. Pull it open, and there we are. Look at those, just nice, beautiful, neutral matte shades. So that's some like light, the whole thing smells kind of like chocolate, you know, Too Faced and their fun smelling things. Chocolate is not the worst. It's got some very pretty things. Let's try. Swatch them on the inside of my arm. I don't know how well these are gonna turn out because, well, they're all really light. Except for that one. That one's not light. There's a couple there. Yeah, the light, my light here though is kind of washing out everything. They're very nice. I am very excited. I don't have any Too Faced palettes right now. Basically, I'm really excited for this palette. I think it's going to be great and go with a lot of things that I have. Since I like shimmers and glitter, I always needed a neutral base for that, so pretty excited about that. Okay, so now it is time to look at the costs of everything that is in this box. Let me pull up my sheet from online since I don't have the physical paper. Okay. First thing first is actually the palette here. It is $38. It's only 9 pans, so it's kind of a lot for $38, but honestly, it's Too Faced prices, so not really surprising. Definitely smells like chocolate though. Really excited about that. Okay, next is the eye cream here. And $66. Not really surprising for eye cream. Truthfully, eye cream's expensive. You only need a little bit of it, so it's gonna last a while. Pretty good. Okay, next up is Milk. This here is $15. It's kind of small. Milk makeup though is a little bit more expensive anyway, so this isn't too surprising. I'll see what I think about it after I get some use out of it. Okay, the next is the KVD Vegan Beauty Eye Pomade in that container that doesn't look like there's anything in it, which is really fun. So it is $20. There's not a lot of product in this for $20. I'll see if it's phenomenal, and I guess I really don't need a lot if I'm going with my brows, especially something this dark since my brows aren't that dark overall. So we'll see how long this lasts. I am interested to try it and see how it actually works. Okay, then we've got our little Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Oh my gosh, it's such a mouthful for me to say all of that. And this is $12, which is kind of a lot for a balm, but it's from Tarte and that's still on the lower end of their pricing. Sugar Rush is generally a lower end version of their products, a little bit more accessible for people, a little bit aiming towards younger folks generally, so I'm okay with that. It's cute. It's a nice balm. Still, 12 is a lot for a balm, but I'll try it out and see how I like it. Okay, and I think our last item, yes, is the serum. Normally serums are really expensive. Let's see what this one is. $28. That's not bad, honestly, for that much, which is 1.01 fluid ounces. If this is any good, I might suggest people get it if they're looking for a good serum, because serums can be so expensive. One I have, I got it from someone else who got it from a Boxy charm, was like $90. I obviously didn't pay that much. But yeah, 28, that's pretty reasonable. We'll see how that works. Okay, so that's it. Let me pull out my handy dandy calculator and figure out the total costs. Okay, total costs are $179, which makes it only $20 more than the base box that I got. Normally they're not that close. That base box I had was definitely a high amount, so I would say this is probably more reasonable for the actual premium box, whereas the other one was higher. But $179, I mean, there's definitely some good products in here. There was a lot, sorry, there were a lot of products that were a little bit on the lower end, like the brow pomade and the milk makeup. So the things that were underneath the cost and the butter balm here. But I think overall I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, I'm really excited about this palette here for sure, and I'm definitely going to get good use out of eye cream. So these two things alone were the expensive part of it, and I would say I'm pretty happy. I mean, this was $66. It is a lot for an eye cream. $38 for a palette is kind of in that higher end but not top tier level, so I guess that's okay. Well, that about wraps us up here for right now. Now it's your turn. Let me know down below what you think of this box. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's okay? Everything is kind of all over the board here, so it's not like a focus. And I'm still not sure what the Mother Nature aspect means with the products in here. That probably was on the actual card itself that I didn't get, but you know, I'm going off of what I have. Well, and while you're here, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications in case you want to know when all my videos are coming up, which there will be lots of them because I have so many to record in the next few days. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!